Omicron is in the Caribbean, with the region's first confirmed case of the SARS-CoV-2 variant reported in Bermuda.
We have undertaken genome sequencing on all of our active cases, and while most of them are the Delta variant, one case is the Omicron variant. The sequencing was done by MDL Lab, and it indicates the presence of Omicron in one imported case identified over the weekend. As this is the first time a local laboratory has completed genomic sequencing for the Omicron variant, this sample will be also sent for sequencing overseas as part of our quality assurance processes. This is the same quality assurance processes that were highlighted last week, which involved 33 samples being sent overseas. Unfortunately, we do not yet have the results of that analysis from the U.S. lab, but expect to have those results this week.
Health Minister Kim Wilson is urging residents to remain calm as preliminary investigations into that first case of Omicron do not suggest any levels of exposure which could have led to community circulation of the variant.
It is important to remember that we have very strong surveillance in Bermuda. So the contact tracing for this active case is completed, and the close contacts are in quarantine. We only have the one case at this time. The government has proceeded slowly in relaxing our border protocols. So unlike other countries, which are hurrying up and reimposing testing and quarantine requirements, our existing sound testing and surveillance policies are working to our advantage. The Omicron variant was identified quickly, and in our view, there is no need to panic. Successful public health measures such as SafeKey supplement our testing and surveillance policies, and together are effective in reducing transmission of the virus which causes COVID-19.
Research into Omicron suggests that despite being more transmissible than the Delta variant, Omicron presents more mild symptoms and has yet to prove fatal in any of the 30 countries where it has already been identified. Citing the territory's high vaccination rate, 70.3%, Minister Wilson said that the presence of Omicron will not immediately prompt a change in restrictions in Bermuda or new advice for the holiday season. However, because the situation remains fluid, Bermudians are encouraged to keep adhering to personal health and safety protocols.